Let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes designers make in whiteboard challenges, jumping straight to screens. Now, this might sound familiar. You get the prompt, your mind starts racing with ideas, and before you know it, you're already sketching wireframes. But here's the truth. That habit can quietly destroy your chances. Because when you start drawing before understanding the problem, it shows a lack of strategic thinking and user-centered design discipline. Let's unpack why this approach fails and what you should do instead. Why this fails first, it shows you're focused on outputs, not outcomes. You're trying to produce something visual instead of solving something meaningful. Interviewers can sense that immediately. Second, it demonstrates no research or validation mindset. Even though you're in an interview, they want to see you think like a designer who seeks clarity before execution. Third, it suggests you do the same thing on the job, and that's a red flag. Because in real teams, designers who skip understanding create rework, misalignment, and wasted effort. Fourth, it makes pivoting based on feedback nearly impossible. If you've already jumped too far into the solution, it becomes harder to adapt when someone challenges your assumptions. And finally, it wastes time solving the wrong problem beautifully. You might end up with elegant screens that don't solve anything real. So, what should you do instead? Slow down, step back, think. Spend about 20-25% of your total time on problem definition. Yes, that might sound like a lot, but it's an investment that pays off. Start by asking clarifying questions about the users, their environment, and their pain points. This immediately signals to interviewers that you're methodical and user driven. Next, state your assumptions explicitly. If you don't have data, make thoughtful guesses and say them out loud. That's what professionals do when facing ambiguity. Then, define what success looks like before you design. If you can describe what a good outcome means for both users and the business, your design direction will always feel grounded. And finally, get alignment on scope and priorities before diving in. Show that you can manage your time and focus on the most impactful parts of the experience. I'll leave you with one of my favorite reminders: slow down to speed up. The designers who take the time to understand the problem always produce better solutions than those who rush to sketch. Remember, a whiteboard challenge isn't about how fast you can draw, it's about how deeply you can think before you do.